Often, materials appear to be very similar. Take these two rails, for example. They appear to be identical, but in fact, they're quite different. One is made of carbon steel, and the other is made of stainless steel. Normally, carbon steel needs to be protected against corrosion. This is why it's usually painted or galvanized. Stainless steel, however, does not need any applied protection. Resistant and durable, it goes on looking fantastic year after year, despite even the harshest of treatment. This skateboarder always takes the same route, down the same two rails, every day, day after day, month after month. These two rails appear to be similar and perform the same function, but in reality, only one will stand the test of time, because only one is made of stainless steel. How does stainless steel manage to stay shiny and in such good condition? Let's take a closer look at stainless steel. All steels are iron alloys. Adding chromium to iron creates stainless steel. Chromium atoms react with oxygen in the air to form a thin, invisible layer that protects the stainless steel. If the surface becomes damaged, this layer reforms, protecting the steel each time, keeping it both stainless and resistant to corrosion. This process is called self-passivation. However, without chromium, there is no self-passivation. So once any protective coating on the carbon steel becomes damaged, the steel underneath reacts with oxygen to form rust, often with devastating consequences. In contrast, stainless steel remains durable, attractive and functional, and plays a large role in our daily lives. Many stainless steels also include nickel and molybdenum for specific performance requirements. Stainless steel for industry, for the home, for strength, for beauty, for life, and for the future. Stainless steel, self-protecting for lasting value.